If a client comes to me with a first offense DWI in New York, Suffolk County, Nassau County particularly, mainly at first they are worried about going to jail. There has been a movement in the last 5 or 6 years from both counties to toughen up the sanctions against driving while intoxicated, and people are really, really scared about going to jail. And in most cases, I can tell a client right away after getting all the facts, analyzing their background, I can assure them that with my representation, they are not going to go to jail. The type of clients that I can help who are charged with a DWI in New York run the gamut from young to old. There are people who I've represented, men in their 50s who are out to dinner with the wife and have several glasses of wine, and the next thing you know, they're arrested for the first time. There are 18-year-olds who are binging and partying who are arrested. That's obviously a different task for me with a client like that. But anybody, I have represented thousands of people in over 30 years who've been charged with DWI. The benefit of having a very experienced attorney in dealing with a DWI is that the attorney will know what is necessary to present to the district attorney and to the judge to ensure the best outcome. Someone who does not have that experience might not see the importance of certain steps that I would see are important, and their client would suffer the consequence. Recently, I concluded representation of a woman who was also a first offender, but she was a lifelong alcoholic. She ended up in trouble because she crashed her car while she was extremely drunk. And this is a type of case that would normally have led to a jail sentence. Under my guidance, she immediately enrolled in a very intensive outpatient program, and ultimately, based upon knowing the way that the case should be processed, or knowing the way the case should proceed, I was able to convince the judge not to put her in jail. And she was deathly afraid of going to jail when she first came to me.